Hey guys, welcome to the piece by piece PicoCTF walkthrough. So we have a description. After logging in, you will find multiple file parts in your home directory. These parts need to be combined and extracted to reveal the flag. And additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. Let's launch our challenge instance. And as you can see, we doesn't have any hints. So yeah, we have to launch challenge instance. After launching that, we have some information SSH to this particular this particular host name, and we have the username as the CTF player, and we have password, host name, and port number is there. So yeah, let's connect to that by specifying SSH, the username at the host name. So we have to specify the host name. In this case, is dolphincow.picoctf.net, and SSH by default runs on port 22. So in this case, it is in port 60781. So you have to specify that particular port. So in my case, it's 60781. In your case, it may be different. You have to specify the port that is shown in your lab environment. So after that, you have to press enter. So SSH will try to connect that, and we can just press we can just enter yes. After that, you have to enter the password that is shown in your lab environment. So now I was able to successfully log in using SSH using the credentials. So yeah, you have to look carefully about the port. You have to definitely need to specify the port, otherwise you won't be able to connect to this. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. So after that, when I enter ls, I am able to see some informations. We have part AA, AB, AZ, AD, AE. And we also have instructions.txt. Let me get the instructions, and here we have the hint to solve this challenge. The first hint says that the flag is split into multiple parts as a zip file. So this is the multiple parts of the flag that they are talking about. Use Linux commands to combine the parts into one file. We have to combine these parts into one file by using Linux commands. The zip file is password protected. Use this super secret password to extract the zip file. So once you combine these all files and created a zip, you have to extract that. And it is password protected, and you have to use the super secret as the password to extract that particular file. Right. So I hope it's clear. So if it's not, then you have to go a little bit back and listen to my voice carefully. Okay. So after unzipping, check the extracted text file for the flag. Once you unzip that, you will be able to get the flag. Okay, so let me first view the part AA to see what's inside this has something there, and which is saying that there is a flag.txt existed. So let's view the part AB, and it also doesn't saying that it has flag.txt. Let's access the part AC, and which doesn't have some information, which are all contains the data, but not the flag.txt. Yeah, the AD also has the flag.txt. So our task is to combine it using the Linux commands. So we can use cat command to view the file, right? So we can also use the cat command to combine all those things. So for example, let's combine that using the part AA, and space part AB, and part AC, and part AD, and part AE. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts, right? So I'm just going to enter cat space part A, part B, C, D, E. After that, I'm just giving greater than symbol to save that into a particular file called file.zip, because it's a zip file, right? So you have to save this as any of your likely file name .zip. So the extension should be .zip. Once you do that, when you enter ls, you will be able to see the zip file. So when you use the unzip command to extract that, you will definitely gonna saying it will say yes to enter the password. So as you can see, it has a file.zip, and this is the file.zip, which I also have the flag.txt, and it is asking for you to enter the password. So the zip file is password protected. Use this password. So you can just paste that password, and we were able to extract that. So cool, right? So when I enter ls, I was able to see the flag here. So that's it. Right. I hope this video is informative for you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, guys. And this will be much appreciated for me to create some amazing contents based on what you like. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.